how to use Onepay at Walmart. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to uh, tell you how you can use Onepay at Walmart. So first of all, you need to download and sign up for the Onepay app. Link your debit or credit card in the wallet tab to fund purchases, and then you can use Onepay at Walmart checkout, like online or in-app walmart.com. During checkout, you can have to select Onepay checkout with option to spread payments over time via Klarna 3 to 36 months, supported by Onepay's integration. And after that, you have to confirm payment. Onepay will process using your linked card or savings. So in store, at register or fuel station, you have to open the Onepay app and tap scan to pay or the QR code icon in the wallet tab and present the generated QR at the terminal scanner. No physical card needed. Complete transaction fast and secure. And in-store cash withdrawal, you have to go to Walmart Money Center, customer service or ATM. In the Onepay app, generate a barcode for cash withdrawal. Staff scans it, you receive funds, no card needed. So Onepay combines cardless checkouts, flexible online payments, and easy in-store cash services tied to Walmart, all via the app. Want help with promotion, savings, debit transfer, or Klarna setups? We will make videos about that. So see you on the next video.